Here is the exhaust kit that I received in the mail. There's the muffler, bracket to hold it on, the pipe, and some install accessories. Here is my factory exhaust. So this is the before. I'll show you what it sounds like before and after. So here we go. As far as removing the old exhaust, it's not really that scary. There's a couple of these little nuts. You're going to want to use 11-point sockets to get these guys off because of that right there. Over here, you get two of these guys. See, there's a hex head right there. And you got another big one right there. And you have to put a crescent wrench on there to back it out. Once you pull that out, you just loosen up the O2 sensor, which I've got some oil penetrating in there. Back that out with a big pipe wrench or socket if you're blessed to have one. Take it out and then just install the new kit. So here's the point where you put this new exhaust onto the bike. So you're gonna line it up. Simple enough, right? So you basically slide this flange on there and then you hit this with a rubber mallet so it's flush. Then you're gonna line it up and put through the two nuts on the exposed studs from your existing exhaust, the old exhaust right there. Also, this exhaust pipe hanger right here, you're gonna wanna pull that off. You're gonna wanna replace it with the one from the new kit as well. There's the muffler installed. I gotta say, you will fight trying to squeeze this thing and getting this thing on there. Just getting that one through bolt with that one lock washer. But these, whew, that was tough. I find it's easier to just clip them on here and just yank like hell and pray you get it on the other side. And that's it. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot different. In a good way. It sounds pretty good. It sounds a lot more beefy than it used to, that's for darn sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit more respectable. I like it.